Hey folks, Zach Hubeck with Wave and MBSI Wave coming to you from our West Chicago facility. I want to talk to you about the top 5 innovations and reasons you want to look at Tarana today. First and foremost, let's start with capacity, folks. These base nodes are capable of doing up to 2.4 gigabits per radio, per tower, 9.6 gigabits. Folks, that's rivaling fiber-like speeds and just amazing innovation. Number 2, let's talk about antenna. So we've got 64 antenna elements in the base node and 32 antenna elements in our remote nodes. And folks, these are both beamforming both ways, which means it's constantly aligning and correcting itself to get that strongest signal possible. Number 3, let's talk about alignment. Through the processing power, these radios are looking 5,000 times per second to adjust and realign and make sure they have that strong connectivity on both sides. Number 4, ease of install. Your RN has a 50-degree sector, and that is going to be looking for your base node. You don't need to bother with scopes or alignment tools. This 50-degree sector antenna in here is going to be looking for that base node and establishing that strong connection. Point and shoot. And lastly, our 5th element in 365 elements. Tarana has innovated, and you do not need an evolved packet core in Tarana 365 environments. You still do need a SAS from a federated. We can work with Wave engineers in order to help you out with your federated SAS needs, but you are going to need a SAS for this. But that evolved packet core, you don't need that in a Tarana install, and that is a huge cost savings. Folks, if you love this video, click on our subscribe button and click that bell for notifications for our next videos. Thank you, and talk soon.